Basic food items. Bread. Bread.
I eat bread and butter for breakfast. I eat bread and butter for breakfast.
Rice. Rice.
We usually have rice for dinner. We usually have rice for dinner.
Pasta. Pasta.
She cooked pasta with tomato sauce. She cooked pasta with tomato sauce.
Meat. Meat.
He doesn't eat meat because he's vegetarian. He doesn't eat meat because he's vegetarian.
Fish. Fish.
Fresh fish is sold at the market. Fresh fish is sold at the market.
Egg. Egg.
I had a boiled egg this morning. I had a boiled egg this morning.
Cheese. Cheese.
Would you like some cheese on your sandwich? Would you like some cheese on your sandwich?
Milk. Milk.
I drink a glass of milk every night. I drink a glass of milk every night.
Butter. Butter.
Melt the butter before adding it to the pan. Melt the butter before adding it to the pan.
Sugar. Sugar.
Don't put too much sugar in your tea. Don't put too much sugar in your tea.
Fruits and vegetables. Apple. Apple.
He eats an apple every morning. He eats an apple every morning.
Banana. Banana.
Monkeys love bananas. Monkeys love bananas.
Orange. Orange.
I squeezed some oranges to make juice. I squeezed some oranges to make juice.
Grapes. Grapes.
We bought some grapes at the market. We bought some grapes at the market.
Carrot. Carrot.
Rabbits love carrots. Rabbits love carrots.
Potato. Potato.
He peeled the potatoes for dinner. He peeled the potatoes for dinner.
Tomato. Tomato.
A tomato is actually a fruit. A tomato is actually a fruit.
Onion. Onion.
Cutting onions make me cry. Cutting onions make me cry.
Garlic. Garlic.
Add some garlic for extra flavor. Add some garlic for extra flavor.
Lettuce. Lettuce.
I like lettuce in my salad. I like lettuce in my salad.
Meals and dishes. Breakfast. Breakfast.
I never skipped breakfast. I never skipped breakfast.
Lunch. Lunch.
I usually have lunch at school. I usually have lunch at school.
Dinner. Dinner.
The family eats dinner together at 7 p.m. The family eats dinner together at 7 p.m.
Snack. Snack.
I had a small snack between meals. I had a small snack between meals.
Soup. Soup.
The soup is hot and delicious. The soup is hot and delicious.
Salad. Salad.
I made a green salad with cucumbers and lettuce. I made a green salad with cucumbers and lettuce.
Sandwich. Sandwich.
He packed a sandwich for lunch. He packed a sandwich for lunch.
Pizza. Pizza.
Let's order a pizza tonight. Let's order a pizza tonight.
Cake. Cake.
My mom baked a chocolate cake for my birthday. My mom baked a chocolate cake for my birthday.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
We had ice cream for dessert. We had ice cream for dessert.
Cooking verbs. Cook. Cook.
My father loves to cook on weekends. My father loves to cook on weekends.
Boil. Boil.
Boil the water before adding the pasta. Boil the water before adding the pasta.
Fry. Fry.
She fried the eggs in butter. She fried the eggs in butter.
Bake. Bake.
We bake cookies in the oven. We bake cookies in the oven.
Grill. Grill.
He grilled some beef on the barbecue. He grilled some beef on the barbecue.
Cut. Cut.
Please cut the vegetables into small pieces. Please cut the vegetables into small pieces.
Mix. Mix.
Mix the flour and sugar together. Mix the flour and sugar together.
Stir. Stir.
Don't forget to stir the soup. Don't forget to stir the soup.
Taste. Taste.
Taste the soup and add salt if needed. Taste the soup and add salt if needed.
Serve. Serve.
Serve the meal while it's hot. Serve the meal while it's hot.
Utensils and kitchen tools. Knife. Knife.
Be careful when using a knife. Be careful when using a knife.
Fork. Fork.
I ate the salad with a fork. I ate the salad with a fork.
Spoon. Spoon.
The spoon is in the drawer. The spoon is in the drawer.
Plate. Plate.
Put the food on the plate. Put the food on the plate.
Bowl. Bowl.
She poured cereal into a bowl. She poured cereal into a bowl.
Pan. Pan.
Heat some oil in a pan. Heat some oil in a pan.
Pot. Pot.
The soup is cooking in the pot. The soup is cooking in the pot.
Oven. Oven.
Bake the cake in the oven for 30 minutes. Bake the cake in the oven for 30 minutes.
Fridge. Fridge.
Keep the leftovers in the fridge. Keep the leftovers in the fridge.
Cup. Cup.
I drink coffee from a cup every morning. I drink coffee from a cup every morning.